Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the place value of the underlined digit in the given number. And we have given one number here, 47,2496,444. 422. Okay. Now we have to find the place value of this 9 here. Now we can observe that 2 is at units place. Again 2 is at tens place. Then 4 is at hundreds place. 6 is at thousands place. And 9 is at 10,000s place. Okay. So the place value of 9 is 90,000.